All right, dividing radicals. That's what we're going to work with today. And we've done this again. I feel like I keep saying this in the course of the year when we were doing complex numbers and that. So we've done this stuff. So we're just going to review. I'm not going to go through every single problem, but again, I'll go through quite a few of them. If you need more help, then just message me, and I can always do some more problems. Okay, so the rule states basically if two things are separated, you can put them together, and the ends are just saying, oops, I don't want that. The ends are just saying, ooh, wow. It doesn't matter what type of radical it is as long as they're the same. And kind of like multiplying and dividing, they can go either way. You can either put them together or you can separate them. I would always try to divide these first and then simplify them. If you can't divide them, then you're going to have to rationalize them. So let's go over how to do this. So basically this turns into 12 divided by 2 and 160 divided by 5. So 12 divided by 2 we know is 6. And yes, you're going to hear my calculator. And 160 divided by 5 is the square root of 32. From there, you would simplify. So we're going to take 32 divided by 2, get you 16 divided by 2, get you 8, and 2 divided by 2 is 4, and then one more time around, and you get the other set of 2's. So there's a pair, there's a pair. That goes out and is going to multiply. So that's 4 multiplied together. So 6 times 4 is 24. And then we get square root of 2. So not too bad. Okay. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do 3. And I'm going to do 4. But I'm not going to do 5 and 6. Okay. It's really no different than what we just did. So on this one, you're going to divide. Make it one big square root, and then you'll simplify. So x cubed y to the 9th, it doesn't look like it, and x squared and y to the 5th, which leaves you with the square root of, these two simplified as x. This is y to the 4th. X is not going to come out of the square root, but the y will, because we're going to divide it by 2. So it's y squared, square root of x. So we've been doing this simplifying thing, so this should be review. Okay, on number 3, you're going to do all the same thing, but I'm going to kind of simplify this in one step instead of writing every step out. You're going to take 29 divided by 4. I'm hoping that you know that it comes out as a fraction. It doesn't simplify. So if you want to know the decimal, it's 7.25, which proves it doesn't simplify. You're not writing 7.25 on this. So I'm going to leave it as 29 over 4 and see what happens. Since this is a cube root, the negative is going to kick out, so I'm just going to do it now. And 16 divided by 2 is 8, and m to the 9th divided by m is m to the 8th. So then we're going to simplify. The cube root of 8 is a perfect cube, so it's 2. So what you're going to get now is negative 29 divided by 4 times 2. We're going to take the 8th power and divide by 3. 8 divided by 3 will give you 2 sets of m, because 2 times 3 is 6. So 2, and then you're going to have the cube root of m squared on the inside. Now we're not quite done with this problem because we need to simplify. The 4 and the 2 would cancel and leave you with 2 on the bottom. So you're left with negative 29 over 2, m to the 2nd power, and then the cube root of m squared. Okay? All right, number 4. All the same thing, but now it's a 4 through. So we're going to take 36 divided by 9, which is 4, and 1250 divided by 2, which is 625. And actually, if I want to double check, I think, yeah, that is, oops. Okay, so here's my trick with doing 4th roots. I do the square root twice. So the square root of 625 is 25. And then if you square root again, that's 5. Taking the square root twice is the equivalent to the 4th root. So you get 4 times 5, which is 20. All right, I'm going to stop the video here and make another set just so this isn't so much. All right, so see you in the next video.